Mark Rousseau, Marathon Equipment. We're here in Seguin County in Ontario, fixing an original country road. We'll call it a cottage road, Horseshoe Lake Road in Seguin. We're laying mastic material. This would be actually gap patch material, and we're fixing a really poor lane and working toward about 100 meters of wheel path repair. So using Maxwell Products 531 gap patch material with a Marathon MM250, which is a mastic mixer and a 4-foot screed. The material comes in a Elastoflex box. It's actually part of the formula of the material. It goes in as a one unit, and we are able to drop it into the mastic mixer as one piece, let it melt in, and it's all part of the one piece job. You're not having to deal with cardboard, you're not having to deal with plastic, and it's as simple as this right here. That box will melt into the product, and the finished product is what you just saw a few seconds ago, right behind the screed. We put some topping stone to help it cool quicker. There is no curing, it's simply cooling. Material goes down at about 350 degrees, and all we need to do is wait for it to cool to return to traffic. Typically less than an hour after the material has been dispensed onto the road.